Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into an exciting topic that's taking the online world by storm: faceless video niches. If you've ever dreamed of making money online without showing your face, you're in the right place. We'll explore 5 lucrative niches where you can create engaging content while remaining behind the scenes. As we navigate through these niches, we'll highlight the incredible potential for income generation. With the rise of platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and others, faceless content is not just a trend. It's a thriving opportunity for creators looking to monetize their skills and creativity. Throughout this video, we'll provide you with insights into each niche, discussing what makes them profitable and how you can get started. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, there's something here for everyone. So, if you're curious about how to tap into this growing trend of faceless content creation and want to learn how to turn your passion into profit, stick around. You won't want to miss the valuable tips and strategies we have in store for you. Let's jump right in and discover these 5 faceless video niches that could change your financial future. Animation and motion graphics have emerged as a highly lucrative faceless video niche, driven by the increasing demand for engaging visual content in marketing and education. Businesses and educators alike are recognizing the power of animated videos to simplify complex ideas and capture audience attention. This trend has opened up a wealth of opportunities for creators who can harness the art of animation. To get started in this niche, you'll want to explore powerful tools like Adobe After Effects and Blender. These programs allow you to create stunning animations and motion graphics that can elevate your content to a professional level. With a bit of practice, you can produce eye-catching videos that resonate with viewers and keep them coming back for more. Several successful YouTube channels have capitalized on this trend, showcasing the effectiveness of animation in engaging audiences. Channels like Kurzgesagt, In a Nutshell, and The Odd Ones Out have built massive followings by using animation to explain complex topics in a fun and relatable way. By tapping into the animation and motion graphics niche, you can not only express your creativity, but also potentially earn a significant income while remaining faceless. Creating videos using stock footage and B-roll presents a unique and profitable opportunity in the faceless video niche. With the rise of content creation, there's a growing demand for high-quality visuals that can enhance storytelling without the need for original filming. Sourcing stock footage has never been easier, thanks to platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Pond5, where you can find a vast library of clips that cater to various themes and topics. The key to success in this niche lies in the art of storytelling through curated clips. By thoughtfully selecting and combining stock footage, you can create compelling narratives that resonate with your audience. Whether it's a travel montage, a motivational video, or a tutorial, the right visuals can elevate your content and keep viewers engaged. Monetizing stock footage compilations on YouTube can be highly lucrative. Many creators have found success by compiling themed footage, such as nature scenes, urban landscapes, or lifestyle clips, and pairing them with music or voiceovers. As your channel grows, you can tap into ad revenue, sponsorships, and even sell your compilations as digital products. With creativity and strategic planning, stock footage and B-roll can become a profitable venture while keeping your identity behind the camera. Delving into the niche of creating videos with voiceover narration opens up a world of possibilities for faceless content creators. Voiceovers can add depth and personality to your videos, making them more engaging and informative. To get started, scripting is essential. Take the time to write clear and compelling scripts that resonate with your audience. Once your script is ready, you can record your voiceovers using user-friendly tools like Audacity, which offers a range of features for editing and enhancing audio quality. Voiceover narration is particularly effective for various types of content, such as documentaries, educational videos, and explainer animations. These formats thrive on storytelling, and a well-delivered voiceover can captivate viewers and convey complex information in an accessible way. To truly stand out in this niche, it's important to find your unique voice and style. Experiment with different tones, pacing, and inflections to discover what feels authentic to you. Listening to successful voiceover artists can provide inspiration, but remember to develop your own flair. With practice and dedication, you can create compelling voiceover content that not only engages your audience, but also opens up monetization opportunities through platforms like YouTube and beyond. Screen recording tutorials have become an incredibly effective faceless video niche, catering to the growing demand for visual learning. As more people seek to enhance their skills in various software and applications, the need for clear, step-by-step guides has never been greater. Popular software for screen recording includes OBS Studio, Camtasia, and Snagit, which allow creators to capture their screens while providing valuable insights and instructions. The rise of online learning has fueled interest in visual guides, making screen recording tutorials a sought-after format. Whether it's teaching someone how to use a specific software tool, navigate a website, or troubleshoot common issues, these tutorials provide an engaging way for viewers to absorb information. To create effective screen recording tutorials, focus on clarity and conciseness. Start by outlining your content to ensure a logical flow and avoid unnecessary jargon that might confuse your audience. Use annotations and highlights to draw attention to key points, and consider incorporating voiceovers to enhance the learning experience. Additionally, keep your videos short and to the point, as viewers often prefer quick, digestible content. By mastering these strategies, you can establish yourself in the screen recording niche and attract a dedicated audience eager to learn from your expertise. Creating curated content and top lists is a highly appealing faceless video niche that has gained immense popularity across various genres, including tech, travel, and entertainment. List-based videos resonate with viewers because they provide concise, organized information that is easy to digest. Whether it's top 10 gadgets of the year or best travel destinations, these formats attract audiences looking for quick insights and recommendations. To succeed in this niche, thorough research is crucial. Gathering accurate and up-to-date information not only enhances the credibility of your content, but also ensures that viewers find value in what you present. Pairing your research with engaging visuals, such as images, clips, and animations, can significantly elevate the viewer experience, making your videos more dynamic and enjoyable. Several successful YouTube channels thrive on curated content, showcasing the effectiveness of this approach. Channels like Watch Mojo and Top Trending have built massive followings by delivering high-quality top lists across various topics. By focusing on well-researched content and captivating visuals, you can carve out your own space in the curated content niche. This approach allows you to engage viewers while maintaining anonymity, making it an ideal option for those who prefer to stay behind the scenes. In today's video, we explored 5 exciting faceless video niches that offer incredible potential for creators looking to make money online. We discussed the lucrative world of animation and motion graphics, where engaging visuals can captivate audiences. Next, we delved into the realm of stock footage and B-roll, highlighting how curated clips can tell compelling stories without the need for original filming. We also examined the effectiveness of voiceover narration, emphasizing the importance of scripting and finding your unique style. Additionally, we looked at screen recording tutorials, which cater to the growing interest in visual learning. And finally, we explored the appeal of curated content and top lists, showcasing how organized information can attract viewers across various genres. The key takeaway is that each of these niches presents unique opportunities for creativity and income generation while allowing you to remain faceless. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to take action by subscribing to our channel and liking the video. Don't forget to share this video with others who might be interested, and explore our related content for more insights into the world of faceless video creation. Thank you for watching and have a great day.